All right, you're welcome to Heroic Online Institute. This is to introduce to you PHP MySQL Fundamentals. This is a back-end web development for beginners. Beginner's guide on how to commence coding the back end of a website, how to make a website dynamic and functional with PHP. So PHP is actually a powerful programming language. It's a back-end scripting language. Okay, if you are going into web development, it is extremely important that you learn PHP. Reason being that PHP over 80% of all the websites across the world are powered by PHP. Okay, so you see that it's one language you can't ignore. Okay, and it's an amazing language to be used to build powerful websites. All right, so that's why I'm introducing it to you. What you learn how to make a website dynamic and functional with PHP programming language. Okay, everything about backend PHP, how to make a website dynamic, functional. Okay, you use PHP to accomplish that. All right, then you need basic HTML. For you to commence this course, you need to have basic knowledge of HTML. Okay, CSS and JavaScript. Basically HTML and CSS, you mustn't have knowledge of JavaScript, but it is important that you also have it. Okay, you also need a personal computer, laptop or desktop, and the knowledge of how to use keyboard and mouse. Okay, once you have all these, then you are good to go. You can go ahead and take up the PHP course. Okay. All right, now PHP is a popular programming language, mostly used for coding the back end of a website. Over 80% of websites across the world are powered by PHP. Some popular websites coded with PHP include Facebook, WordPress.com, Wikipedia, Slack. You know all these websites, you know most of these websites, right? You know Facebook, at least you use Facebook most times on daily basis. Okay, use WordPress for those that are building content management websites. Okay, use WordPress to do that. Okay, you also know Wikipedia, the one you search for information, use it to get some information online. Wikipedia, all these are popular and massive websites, and they are amazingly built with PHP. Okay, so you see, if you would like to learn backend or full stack web development, PHP is a great choice. Let me quickly show you some of the projects I built with PHP. Let me show you my e-commerce. You see this website? You see, it is powered by the back end of this website. Is powered by PHP. Okay, so you see, you can order for products from here. Okay, you can proceed to buy the products. You can log in, you can register, and everything. So you see, you can also go to the back end. You can log into the back end. Let me log into the dashboard. So you see, okay, so you see the dashboard, all these things in the dashboard, the back end of it, I use PHP to power it. Okay, so you see, it's amazing. I see the dashboard. Awesome. So you see, there's need for you to learn PHP. Okay, you can maybe I can also visit my let me log out of this one and visit another site for you, maybe my old academy. Okay, let's go to the old academy here. So let me log into the dashboard here as well, maybe from here, just to show you most of the things you can do with PHP here. So you see the backend is coming, and this is the backend of this website, the admin panel of this website. You see everything here, everything you're seeing here, powered. The backend is powered by PHP. Okay, so you see, it's actually an amazing programming language you can use to make dynamic websites. All right, now the nature of our training is online. We have hundreds of tutorial videos on different web development programming languages uploaded in our websites. Once you pay and register, you have lifetime access to our course. So you see, we have lots of video tutorials we made. We try to make the tutorial step by step. Okay, it is a step-by-step tutorial that will guide you all through as you're learning. So we try to make it quite easy for you. Okay, you know what the challenge people normally have is when a tutorial is not step by step. Okay, it becomes quite easy for them to connect one tutorial to the other. So we try to make every process step by step and quite easy. It's because our intention here, our focus is to try our best to simplify programming as much as we can, so that some other persons, if you are having issue, if you have an issue with programming, maybe you've tried Google, you've tried YouTube, you've tried some other platforms and it's not working. Once you come to our platform, you see how easy it is. We try our best to make it easy, and as a matter of fact, our students are testifying, okay, because they are finding programming easy, much easier than they have experienced it in other platforms. So that's by the way, let me quickly show you the course content. Okay, I'll log into PHP Classroom and show you how the classroom is and the content and what you're going to learn. Okay, let's quickly do that. I'm going to log out of this one. Then I'll log into the Academy. Okay, all right, I'll get to, then I will now log into the PHP from here, and this PHP. Okay, this is exactly how my students log in. Okay, so once you register and become my student, this is exactly how you're going to be logging in whenever you want to learn. Okay, see, this is the classroom, PHP classroom. All right, you see, these are the topics we're going to cover. You see, there are a lot: variable, concatenation, escape, character, comment, assignment operators. A lot to be covered. A lot to be covered. Okay. Now, you see, when you click on any topic here, you're going to see the video associated with the topic. Some of them might have many videos in one. One topic might have 2 or more videos in it, or one video. It depends. Okay, for example, if you go to the database management now, we see we have videos. You see many videos under this, many videos. You see that? So you see, and amazingly, all these videos are downloadable. You can download any of them and start learning. So the best way to learn is once you register and become a student, you have lifetime access to this classroom that you can always log in anytime. When you log in, you access, you can download the course you want to practice with for the day. You click on download button to download it. When you download it, then you practice with it. Okay, so it's quite easy, and we try our best to make it step by step. Okay, so, and again, if in the course of practicing, if you encounter any issue, then you contact me immediately. Okay, this is my number here. You can contact me and I will take it up from there. So you are not left alone when you purchase our course. You are not left to struggle on your own. We are there to guide you, to mentor you as we move forward. Okay, so that is it. This course is designed, it's not designed to be a 6-month course like you see here, please. This is a mistake. Okay, this PHP course, you can finish it in 1 month. Okay, you can complete the course in 1 month or less. It depends on the time you are giving to it. Okay, this 6 months course is for full stack web development. Okay, like when you learn every other programming languages you need to learn to emerge a professional. But for PHP alone, PHPMySQL, 1 month is enough for you to complete the course. Okay, so that's it. We encourage our students to dream big and to use their skill to power their vision. You know, now that you are venturing into programming is a wonderful course. Web development is a great skill that gives you the power to create something out of your vision. Okay, so if you have a vision and you venture into programming, you can create softwares to solve problems. You can create software to power your vision. And that's what I'm doing on a daily basis, creating software to power my own vision. And as such, I'm encouraging my students to also create softwares to solve their own challenges, to make money for themselves and to power their vision. And how do I do that? I encourage them by, from time to time, organizing competition among my students. I tell them to build projects. Okay, I'll tell them the kind of project to build. They build projects, and uploading my talent development website. Let me show you my talent development website so you see that I am not joking, that what I'm saying is true. Okay, let's log out of this. Now, this is when you click on talent, now you get to my talent development website. So you see these are some of the upload made by students. Okay, this one is actually at the offline. There are more online. Okay, but with this, at least we're good to go. So when you click on this now, you see it will open a bigger version of it, and this is a presentation made by one of my students. And you know, when they upload, they invite their friends to vote for them. So that way they are learning, and they are not just learning how to code, they also learn how to present their software. And you know, for you to make money as a developer, you need to also learn how to present the software you coded. And that is what I am also teaching them at the same time. So I donate money to power this competition, and some of them win money. Okay, I do this from time to time, just to motivate them to start building stuff for themselves. Okay, so then one more thing that is quite important here about this course is the fact that I try my best to help my students. I try my best to help my students. I try my best to help my students solve their problems when they encounter any. For example, if you register as a student right now and you are struggling with any challenge, you are not left alone. Like I said before, I will be guiding you along the way. Let me also show you how I get my students. Apart from the competition I normally organize, if you encounter issue, the way I do that is this. First of all, if I look at your situation, if it is not complex, I will tell you to send me a screenshot of your code. I will look at your screenshot, and find out where the issue is, and I will solve this for you. But for the student, okay. But if the situation is complex, I will tell the student to send me the zip file of his or her code. I'll go through the zip file and make another tutorial to point out where he or she is getting it wrong. Let me go to my YouTube channel quickly to show you where I created some tutorial to solve my students' issue. Just to tell you that I actually do what I'm saying here. Let's log in quickly. It's taking time, but bear with me. Okay, bear with me. Okay, we'll log into the channel. All right. All right, so we are getting into the YouTube channel. Okay, so we're in. Then, and that's my channel here. So I'm going to go to videos now. Now let's scroll down. You are going to begin to see some of you see this one, students JavaScript error. So this student is having JavaScript problem, and I solved it for the person. Student JavaScript problem solved again. Pastor's picture upload correction. Okay, I solved the picture issue. The pastor is also my student. He was struggling with picture upload code, so I have to help him solve it. This one is struggling with Ajax. I solved it for the person. This one is struggling with slider. I solved it for the person. So you see a lot of solutions here in my YouTube channel. You can visit my YouTube channel to see for yourself. Okay, so just to tell you that I'm very serious with my students. I actually want them to succeed. Okay, all right. So that said, I try my best to make the tutorial quite easy for students, so that even if you know nothing about programming or web development, you can still surely cope. You can still find the tutorial very easy. Okay, so this PHP course is made for everybody, both young and old. But it is highly recommended for people between the ages of 10 and 60 years. Coding is for all, okay? However, it is mostly meant for those that would like to go into full stack or back-end web development. So if you are going into full stack web development or you're going into back-end web development, this course is strongly recommended for you. Okay? Yeah, ICT skill, as you know, is gaining popularity every day, and you can't afford to be left behind. So how do you order for the course? To order for this course is simple. Just visit if you're watching this tutorial already, this presentation, or in the website, in my online academy website, then you can just go ahead and order for the course from there. But if you are somewhere, I'll just visit my website, heroicuniversal.com. Okay, then you click on Academy. Okay, just when you visit heroicuniversal.com, it will send you here. Okay, then maybe let me just taking time. You know, I'm actually using a local PC for this, local server for this. Just visit www.heroicuniversal.com. You get that? When you visit heroicuniversal.com, it will send you to this page. Then you click on Academy. All right, you get to the Academy, then you log in, you order for the course. Let's say you want this course, click on Add to Cart. If you want more, you keep adding until you add enough. You add all the courses you need. Once you're done adding all the courses you need, you click on Proceed to Buy. Okay, then you log in. If you already have an account, you log in. If you don't have an account, you register. I have an account already, so I have to log in with my account. Okay, password issue. All right, then I will now choose the payment method that I want to use. I want to use bank transfer or deposits. Then complete payment. Here now you pay to this account details. After payment, click on complete payment. So this is exactly how to order for the course. And I see it's simple and straightforward. Okay, so go ahead and order for it. Once you order for it, you get to me on WhatsApp. Then I will take it up from there, guiding you through the entire course. Okay, I promise you're going to enjoy every bit of it. Not just enjoy, you're going to learn skill. Okay, that will make you millions. Okay, because I try my best not just to give to help my students acquire skill, but also to motivate them to make money with it. I partner with some of my students. I employ some of them. Okay, as long as I see that you are visionary and that you are ready to win with me, okay, you won't be left out. Thank you so much. Just go ahead, order for the course. Let's get started. Thank you so much.